Good afternoon. It is a very rare opportunity for us to be able to receive a teaching from a teacher of the stature of our speaker today. His Eminence Sharpa Rinpoche is a very senior master. He is the Sharpa Choeje title. It's one of the three highest spiritual lineage order positions in the Yeluk or the Yellow Hat School of Tibetan Buddhism. Rinpoche is actually next in line to be the lineage order. So, the lineage order is the supreme head of this particular lineage. That is one of the largest of the four Tibetan Buddhist schools. And Rinpoche, however, was born in eastern Tibet, in the area of his original town, and then at a young age moved to Lhasa in central Tibet to study at Drepung. Drepung was in college of the Monastery. And in 1959, with the unfortunate events that unfolded in Tibet, his Eminence followed his Holiness the Dalai Lama into exile and has been at first in eastern Tibet and Koksapara for 10 years where they gathered, and then since 1969 moved here to rebuild his monastery here. So his Eminence has been one of the most important philosophy teachers, professors here at Doeguling Monastery, but also with his position as the Sharpa Choeje Rinpoche, that Rinpoche has also traveled quite extensively around the world representing this particular tradition in various conferences and various countries. Recently, that's not the first time, but recently Rinpoche was in the United States also. We had the privilege of hosting His Holiness, His Eminence in Atlanta. So, without further ado, I will come to the question to enlighten us with this characteristic very, very clear teachings.
Satari, Choranso Tamanjola, and Tomalo, Netahidelis, if you use.
At this occasion, when we are together, we met, first of all, I'd like to extend my greetings to all of you touched today.
Satari, Mashuadolo, Tanda, Jujuge, Zupiluni, and G. Kalsugre, Zupiloge, that's the people about and the Kuntu and you mean about the Sokanga Gitachi, the Nachi, again, which again, Malachi, which is on, and the Tataringa, those Chirantolo, G. Kalsugre, Ganong Bachi, Loli Shatu, Novachi, and the Chirantolo Shochuachi. Yante, Gigi. Kalsugre, Choranso son le ton, young mass on ton, the Nate, Tendit and Chigi, Le Parabashan, Yomaro, they may the young Nato number, Tapatachong, so that you kiss at the Legre, then you do Choranso, Tulo, Tede, Docabona, Yajari, then you know, they hit on demanded at the Tunane, and Tomaga, the Bayro.
The topic for my teaching today is the sixth chapter in the Bodhicitta Avatar, titled Bodhisattva's Way of Life. This text is here in this binder, sixth chapter on patience, and this is by the great master Shantideva, as you know. And today, in this brief talk, I want to focus my presentation on the benefits. What are the benefits of patience, of the tolerance, and fortitude, if you will. At the same time, also to present the drawbacks, or what are the consequences of being under the afflictive emotion of anger, particularly that is opposite of patience. Now, my presentation here today to you may come across to some extent where you may struggle to relate to in some ways, because I don't have any familiarity with the modern science and the perspectives of the modern world. I come from a very traditional background, traditional teachings. So in this presentation, if there are anything that come across that's something that you cannot quite relate to at the outset, I want to seek your forgiveness.
Tade, Junju Chingwa Sungkende, Robin Shawala Sagrova, Decision Shawala, and taking you, Ta Kunga Lujurabade, Saturday, Shumakoachi, the chair, Ta then a Kunga Mason do, and then Kuntuge Nimeton, and the Kuntuge Nimetala, the Chi, Tunchi Suchibi Nimeton, and then also get Tunchi Sumajibi Nimen of a chi. Ni sumundi gari, te yendu ta kontu ge kote dolo, zepa dere, zepa gomba dela, zepi nyane de shemundu, ane ngato ko tunchi su maji pi zepi pena tatan, tunchi su jepi zepi pena chine ni sumunyo gari, te yendu tunchi su, ngato ko tunchi su maji pi jibi, ane zepa tan kontu ge de shemundu, ane 당을 그래 남바상지 봐 얘가 돌아 저왕 같이 옆이 얘가 돌아 무슨 되게요 아 때에도 양 저왕 같이 되지 뭐래 저왕 같이 되어리스도 저왕 같이 돼요 남비치는 해봐들 마도 히라히라 다 세리게 기시드는 여인들이 다 그때 이나 남비치게 다 저왕 같이 여봐대 가르세도 저왕 같이 여봐대 나눠서 지 파마지리 집에 보고 뭐였냐 보고 때서로 남에다게 손을 통통다 같이 봐야 뭐 같이 봐도 같이 장세요 그냥 같이 콘트사 버튼에 여한테 가서 보고 통치 수 있도록 와서 대 여한테 가르쳐줘야 그랬으나 저와 하면 많이 용서 아니 되게 공부 되게 그걸로 같이 콘트에 그냥 같이 장세요 누스리 있네 무슨 요거리 저와 같이 여봐도 되는 시기거리
The text itself, the Vajrayana, is by the great Bodhisattva Shantideva himself. As this sixth chapter, it deals with the patience, the practice of patience. Here, Shantideva first presents what are the negative, impacts or the consequences, of anger, because anger is always patience. With regard to the certain downfalls of its consequences of patience, there are two kinds. What is referred to as the drawbacks or the consequences that are the visible drawbacks of anger, and the secondly, invisible drawbacks of anger. Similarly, with regards to the patience, the benefits of patience, what are the qualities, the benefits of patience, that also they have those falls into the benefits of patience that are quite manifest, obvious to us, and then those benefits that are not so obvious or invisible to us. Now, when the Chancellor presents the benefits or the drawbacks of anger or the benefits of the patience that are not obvious or that are invisible. And this is something that it deals with this concept of future lives and the previous lives. That's a manifest or obvious one would be something that we can see on this life, whereas this non-obvious has to do invisible to us now, and this obviously has to do with what are the consequences of anger for the future lives or the benefits of patience for the future lives. That obviously entails the concept of previous and future lives, and in that sense, the science may not have any particular position or about the future lives and previous lives, but certainly in the Buddhist tradition, it maintains that we have had previous lives, and that as beings we will have future lives. One might wonder that what evidence do we have for such a position for previous and future lives? Now, one of the evidence we can kind of point to in this direction would be that when children are born from the same parents, and they're given identical kind of twins and like that, we do see difference in those two, their temperaments. For example, about kind of compassion or how kind or unkind they are, but also in terms of their own level of kind of the intelligence. There seem to also often are differences. So from there, one can surmise that those differences may not be purely biological basis, and may entail something of influences or the factors from beyond purely biological kind of elements of father and mother, and therefore, hence, something from their past lives. So those are some of the factors that the Buddhists rely upon and then maintaining or then coming to the conclusion of the previous and future lives, the existence of previous and future lives.
제동 저와 같이 여바 돌리는데 다 가서 저와 정말 다다데 맞는데 난 가서 영때 슈마 저와 말해 그거로 와서 저와 같이 가마다 정말 여서 저와 정말 로그로 와서 다 남비촌이 시디 취지 급이게 생데 저와 정말 로그로 와서 그러 가서 강가 매정정 말이 대세신 연다 강가데 가서 대화도 동해 매대 그 장장이 되어리 대유디 가서 대화도 동해 매대 그 장장이 저와 정말 로알와 아니 동해 장장제나 디파제나 동해 용구요리 아니 디파 게두 제게나 저와 정말 대화 용기요리 대유도 아니 다 디파 게두 제구거리 가서 저와 정말 여도 디파 게두 제구거리세 저선 타투 로부터 내지고 파키거리
Now, obviously we have this life. If this is not the only existence that we will have, if our lives continues into the future, in the future lives, then we have to take that the situation of our future lives into consideration as well as the positive now. And that is, in Buddhist tradition, the very purpose for us to engage in the practice and in the cultivation of these values, spiritual values. It has to do with how our future lives, how we can ensure the benefits in the future lives, since we all want to be happy and then want to be free of suffering, not just in this life, but if we exist in the future lives. It will be important that we want to have better quality of life in the future, the greater happiness, and then less suffering without suffering. But whether or not, whether we have a life that is characterized with happiness or not, it kind of depends on how we live now, what kind of attitudes and actions that we engage. If we engage in non-virtuous kind of behaviors and attitudes, actions, and like that will lead to the suffering. Whereas if we engage in transforming those non-virtuous actions or accumulate the positive, that will lead to the happiness. So the reason, very ultimately, the ultimate reason for us to live now in a manner that we avoid harmful actions and to ensure the happiness in the future and to avoid suffering in the future.
Tenda yinzong, ta tari ngana so man jawa lendia yinzong, ngana so kanga de lepa de apo koyo ruwa se, song lu tong shi ruwa se. Nane ngana so man ma yin khen senchen kanga ge, nane kari sura song lu tong shi ge omari, te yin du tari ngana so magi jawa lendia yinzong, nane jawa chima man lu du, nane kari sura dawa yunya ge, nane gawa do dugu giri se, ngana so song lu tong shi bi ko de lo. Gawa de dushu se, ga te tsungu yori se, nga tsu la lepa ya payo zang, jawa chimal ma sang tong ni, dibong kiru ti che ge se ne, sanji ge loja de teri se, sen chen yenda lo, ta chi se ne ya sang tong shi ge yo ma ri, koto nga tsu na gi dawa de dungen me de pa, jawa chimal roya di chiba re te yin ne, koto sang tong shi ma, nga tsu me lo loja joya de teri se, lepa ya payo zang, dibong kiru che se loja jo yori se.
So here we are born as human beings, and obviously with the very excellent brain. Unlike the more simpler animals, where the capacity for them to really shape the certain attitudes and mental states is not as feasible as it is for us with our sophisticated brain. So therefore, here we can take advantage of this situation, the human life that we have, such a precious human life. Because here we can make a difference in animals not have that capacity to deliberately train or shape, reform, or to transform the unhealthy mental states and to enhance the virtues and positive qualities of mind. So therefore, in Buddha's teachings, his advice, Buddha's advice for us human beings is that since we have this wonderful opportunity we have to really train our mind, to shape our future, we should pay attention to that now.
다 되니 나네 녀무게 나네 다 다다 거들로 콩주게 류게 빠트서 그 말이야 류도 빠르와 아니 콩주게 니미테 또 맞대시 그래 콩주게 니미 dello cario esna ta ma to chawang ha chi mo bu ro ga yin to ta na ma to ka ka se re chi da bu chi ya ta chi da bu chi ne ya kun to dello ane nimi de ta gu re se kun to di nimi ma ta na kun to de ke kun to shu chen bu ti da chi sa so na ane de chu ju gu ko so che pa tum ge sa pi ene kun to chi chi du kun to shu chen bu chi du ene che pa tum do sa pi di pa ka ga de kuntu kichi ke mapa so sha de re se sun je ge re se je wa ma chi yo pa ye ga to te se ge re se.
So when it comes to training the mind or the transforming of the mind, there are various affective emotions that we need to transform, and one of them is the anger or the hatred, and the anger is one of the most, is destructive of the emotions. And in the 6th chapter here, in Dorjee, the author here, points to the negative consequences of anger. If we were to overcome anger, we need to first see that how destructive it is, what kind of damage that this can do. It's through recognizing what destructive power it has, what kind of consequences, unhealthy consequences it can lead to, that we could have then the possibility to do something about it. And with regards to the consequences, what kind of negative consequences of anger, the author here points out that even a moment of this experience, strong experience, can destroy the virtuous seeds, the virtuous potentials that one has cultivated in out of eons. That is that power, that destructive is what the anger is. So here, when obviously you can see when pointing to the destructiveness of the anger in terms of its power to destroy even a moment of such experience, 1,000 eons, virtues cultivated 1,000 eons. This obviously has to do with within the framework of Buddhism or the worldview that accepts previous lives and future lives.
나라서 선들로 리칼리니 배샤 몽부지조니 배샤 몽부지나 꼬마 몽부여서 루바치는 로그나 배샤데 소조지 나네 고르고르마도 배샤데 타가제 티티나 안 꼬마 몽부레 꼬마여서 루발레드 안에테네 데네 bana dinene dilida bajidena ane relende bidena kuma mubi selesana kuma ge pesha de khosa su thar wase koli jo pesha bi kuma ko korse petena yenge ane nga so gwato sisa sha de ge kunto de ge mepa so sha gri petena ngi chini ane be nga to ki zepa de kuni kunto le nimita ni du hi gu gari es su no gari.
So, for example, if going through very many hardships, we accumulate a lot of money. And if we were to go to some place where there are a lot of thieves that we can really rob you, For example, like I said, that if you need to, from here, let's say, to go to Delhi and pass through this really, because the place with a lot of things that, how protected we need to be of our, hard-earned money, right? And this wealth, we really lose our guards if we're not careful like that, then all that hard learning can be gone in a moment. So like that thing is an anger. That anger. And then there's like the money, eons and eons of accumulation, cultivation of the positive seeds, of virtuous seeds, of potentials that we have. The moment of anger is like that thing that can rob you of those negative emotions that can destroy. So how, as in the example of careful we need to, in this case we need to be even more careful about guarding ourselves against anger.
Tā te yindu, che tōng tāndā chūnyū ke du, tā kepa te ke tāndā rapa jogu gori, tā kepa te rapa jogu gori, kepa gwa che, kepa tūndu sā pi dīpa te kuntu kichi chi ki nyongu rie se ya de, kuntu sāsā de, kuntu chesa ki yu de, kuntu che ken de tūpa mawa che, kuntu chesa ki yu de, tūpa tōwa ina, telu kuntu sāpa ina, ane kepa tūndu sā pi dīpa de kuntu kichi chi ki nyongu de se sundu hiyo de yāngā padenda wātrāpa ka sōng kumañji pi ki koso kāri se kepa jāsā pi dīpa de kuntu kichi chi ki nyongu de se sundu hiyo de te tu padenda wātrāpa ka sōng ya de ki tōpa tōwa de ke tōpa mawa chi lo kuntu sāwa ina kepa jāga sā pi dīpa de 가르쳐를 교화강가 용원에 기여해서네 어느 소통으로 데리리스.
Now, this period, is a very vast span of time. So let's not get into the kind of calculating or the measuring how long it is, but there are gives a certain measure for that, maybe. But the main point for us to hear is that when it says in this text, Shantideva says that a moment of anger experienced towards others destroys the virtues, seeds cultivated over 1,000 eons. Here, this refers to this has to do with if a bodhisattva or a person, who has, less in terms of its spiritual advancement, realizations compared to another person towards whom this person gets angry. And if you experience anger towards a great bodhisattva, someone who has a great many realizations, but spiritually very advanced, that kind of anger, this person who has less spiritual advancement, anger towards more spiritually advanced person is that destructive. It destroys 1,000 eons of virtues. Whereas Chandrakirti, one of the masters in the Madhyamika Avadana, the middle way, he talks about a moment of anger destroys the virtues accumulated in 100 years, not 1,000 years. So one might wonder that which one is correct, or it is just a figurative way of saying. This is understood as when someone who is spiritually more advanced gets angry at someone who is less spiritually advanced than himself or herself. This spiritually advanced person's experience with anger has the power to destroy his or her spiritual seeds potentially accumulated over 100 years of time. So basically, if you are angry, if your object of anger is someone more worthy of veneration or more advanced in spiritual, anger towards that person is more serious, more damaging.
Te yudu, ta te de matuyi ni midris. Jawang hachi ge chini, ene geta nyongri se matuyi ni midros. 다 투이 님이 들어 가리어레스나 콘트도 되잖아. 엄마 주바 그거서 대송요리. 아니 투이 님이 마투이 님이 투이 pen 되게래. 같이 지시나라 투바이 제가 되는 게 사바 계지 그러면 매도 주스티지 담바 멤버들 추던 스메히도 나줘도 매제바이 녀던가도 좋아지 있어야 되게 아니 투인이 메디케와리 있어 가레스나 콘트들 와서나 타기 바는 가서데 링카데 또 타닌데 이제 가서 하고도 저 설레지 되어로 와서 때는 아니 매지 콘트사버지 그 콘트로잖아 메디컬 라뇨도데 마부치 때는 아니 그도 마부치 베히나 사비 좀으로 와서 메두주스지 담바나 바데 아니 메데게 지 가르세 그래 디부 게두리 자와티네 리니 가리네 치카고 말자 콘트 때가 온데스는 치도 치메히베 나줘도 그 조요 그래 아니 다 비기 마투이 님이 자와치마 되는 게 손으로 그 때문에 메두주스 치도 치메히베 나줘 메제바에 녀던가로 좋아지 있어 아니 다 콘트 때게 님이 되게 자와치마 다다 사샤게 게타 강가데 그 종사리 아니 콘트가 님이 강가 가서 통이 님이 되셔서 그게 근데 지지들 가르치는 개와 강가 매자니 자와치마 완전 내라는 책이 있어 누수 수말이 있어
And these kind of drawbacks of the consequences of anger are referred to this invisible or the non-obvious drawbacks because these have those spiritual seeds, 100 years or 1,000 years seeds as they are described and so forth. These are kind of abstract, they're not something that we can obvious, it's not obvious to us. But there are various drawbacks of experiencing anger, and for example, in the again channeled with this mathematical that we thought how in terms of the negative consequences of anger that are visible, for example, that it says that that it leads to this it distorts your beautiful expression, that it as well as it makes you unwise, but also that it robs you of the ability to know what is and what is not, to distinguish what is right and wrong, that ability to distinguish is robbed. So in that regard, you can say that these are something obvious to us too. If you can say that someone gets very angry, you can see that how their expression, the facial expression in itself gets distorted with the breath, quite scared like that. So in that moment, is that person is experiencing joy or comfort or not? So you can see that, and if such a state when you're angry, it kind of destroys your ability to judge, so it makes you unwise. Because it robs you of this ability to distinguish what is appropriate and what is not appropriate, what is appropriate and not appropriate. It robs you so that you end up doing things that are inappropriate, saying or things like that. So these are kind of visible negative consequences of experiencing anger. The Chinese also points out some of the invisible ones also, that where it's talked about that this lack of patience of the anger, it so quickly also leads you to the unfortunate life forms in the future when you die. The consequence of the power of this strong anger can lead you to the states like the hell-like states, hellish experience states in the future. So that can be the enlightenment way.
Then you know, that control sign and mega two control on it, take again doing a Nanoto Muni Pataton of the Karnataka race, and then Nanoto and Pugula, so I hear you and they can get Pama to the Lucy Shake to us, Pugum, so I can't get Pama Degger, Pugum Pugilun, Lani, Shipochi, Pama Lulu, Tejana, Pama control sagament do as a bear, Pugula Turkey chain. And the children of a chain, the church, the chisel, Rojan, Joe, and then Aritombo, counter sign, number of a chain, co counter hit a chain, that counter hit Sasona, and then Soja Joe at the chain, the chicken do at. But then I also get young two counter town, counter loan, and at the chicken do now, Nanato Pap, Cotolo Bear, Carissa, Pama, so get Pugolo, Savajana, Yenge, and then G, Pugo de that came, Konoga di Chiamare, Kuku Kuntra de Chiamato, Pama Pogula, Zawadi Duas, but Zawasi do and the water do Gulo de la Zawasi Guri. Then you do the watching Ruchin or something, Pama Tene, Nano Pogula Kuntra Sate, Chegam and then Pama Kuntra Sakan, you then you to look at it, do what you want. Then you do the Nana Yinchige, Nanaso to G. Kuntuki number 10 and another Zawachini, Kolakitona, but then Lachini, and the Techi and Chisuna, and another, and the Naneton, but the Tanana Piki, she had to tackle the Tanari.
So, when someone, treats us with anger, it shows anger towards us, and what would be the right response? What should be the response for us from this perspective? Understanding that if we ourselves end up reacting with anger, how destructive it is for us. Appreciating this, we should try our best to not reciprocate with anger, but rather find a way to put others person's behavior in perspective. For example, when parents when they're little kids, when they are very young, little kids, when they throw this tantrum, just they are angry. It's kind of, the parents, the caring parents, they don't just get angry at the children. They know this kid is, their kid because of their love for the child. They put their behavior in perspective. They see that they are unable to hold their irritation, and that's what they are having. So parents, instead of getting irritated and then slowly got the show anger, towards the young, kind of the fragile young children, the caring parents, they first try to kind of calm the child, whether to give some gift or just to kind of, that in whatever way, to just calm the child. Once the child somewhat calms down, and they may then begin to kind of give them some advice, like why, how they are behaving is not helpful, that they will not be appropriate and helpful, and like that, so the parents are able to respond to the child's just irritation and anger and with behavior, with understanding, with without reacting with anger themselves. It's due to their love for the child, and this kind of love. That one's love basically is what one's child will have well. So because of that love, the parents are able to put the child's behavior in perspective without getting angry, instead trying to help them. We should, towards those who show anger therefore, with the understanding, try to not react in a similar way, but rather try to diffuse that.
한 두셔 가지고 그래. 저기 제가 누가 영어 같은 거 좋아하는 도주고 봐다. 갱이다. 맞아. 제도 다다 콘투게 니미들로 다 마투이 니미디 해서로 와서 투이 니미야 해서리 대인도 콘투라 돈에 제네 아니 주 콘투 땡게나 콜라 파 저와지니 콜로 파 장바제 그거리스 대체나 계속도 수술하고 와서 다게 가서 해서리 동반에 대완도 두게면 그래서리 아니 계속도 수술하고 그 놈을 치때 온데 파 콘투 사는 놈 땡잖아 and so you just get out there, Napazotari, and that carries a Mede content the Kenya, Met Luba Konogo, Metal, your Maria, that content somebody met the Duce, was a girl was Tapale, and no good water, and also, and she carries a son of Zozo, no, but Tony. Cola, Contra Saga, Korongo Juge, and Contra de Gitia, and Mato, Colo Tene. Edicio Marte, contro me, Yesasona, contro the Yesasona, Yatagi Mother was a package of the can do a thing you at Tombane, not to pay contro second as a cook, you get pneumatic chess remato, met take the one you do him and the roas, cook carnation for roas and do the song of Tonyaris.
The thing is that, when we respond to someone's anger with such an understanding, the bottom line is that we ourselves benefit from that. If we, instead of getting ourselves all, wrapped up with irritations and anger and like that, and destroys our own peace, if on the other hand, if we are able to respond with certain understanding, then we are the beneficiary of that kind of attitude, that kind of understanding. If we get angry and we may not immediately be so effective even to help others, to diffuse that anger in others, and it can escalate to even worse argument and so forth. So not only that, when we do get end up reacting with anger, like that, then as it gets worse, that you can see that how this could ruin, even if we all want a certain reputation, a nice reputation. So if somebody who is just so easily, kind of anger and get violent and like that, obviously that we will ruin our own reputation also. People will, kind of see us as someone kind of violent and not a nice person and like that. Therefore, seeing how anger can really hurt us, we need to see that the other person, when they get angry, they are really helpless. And that it is that when they lose control, like when we are in a grip of anger, we have no judgment, ability to judge properly and so forth. When someone is under this influence of anger, they have lost the capacity to judge, capacity to properly distinguish what is right and wrong. So that person is not the object of our anger, but rather that person is someone that we should have understanding and concern. If we're thinking this way, it is possible to to work towards our anger, not just simply someone's heart was also full, and not necessary. Don't necessarily need or need to lead us into the same behavior.
I think you do. And Sanche Kanga, the Kadian Shambu, but Tengu is a Tata, and the Tipa Chambu Lucia would do. Kadian Shambu, you don't the Kadis, and Tata Yi here, Jawan Hachi Mobu, and the Kuga, and so Pamachi, Jeroas, Mahumba, Pamachi Bajori, Pamaya, Pamachi, Jeroas, Pamachi do, Kadian Shambu, but the Manas of shop could go out the was, and Kadian Shambu do us. Mam Pama Majibi Carnation Bucarisana, and Susan Song Tondo, and I also combatant the Loncoton, the Tipper Sabri, when the Tomaso Gachi, the Hibotin, and Degu Nanos of College Chan, I association was College one, then they carried the end, the Safachi Shama, no, the Combajoni, and they and the dead Combajo can the Carnation Buret to us, or Combajo can't again. Do the Pata Caneton, Nanya Carnation for the Duase, and the Tena Yenge, and then Sayatuna take a Canada, Sechen Yang, Sociaramatu, Nanos of College Migi, Cheche, Jamabase, and Chetan Seche Kanga Carnation Bacini, to local area, Kosoka Carneri, Sayatuna, Carneri, the Sata Kanga, Carnation for the Duase, the Koso telling on it. Go to party and alone and dig Maroa said, the Carnation Body said, Mamma Jebin, cause the Carnation Body is to do so Tony, and then Carnation Book song Tony, and Tibetan with children, told over the terrace. That and Carnation was on Tonsana, could have the water tuna Yamazu, the water Choeje, mother, could do him roaching as some Maroa Carnation, so the Pamala do him roaching as some Medua, better than any. They in the Carnation for the dues. And then that and then Nanato or the thought they think you know.
One of the most effective ways for us to, in general, to deal with our own tendencies for anger, particularly anger, is to develop a mindset where we can begin to see the kindness of others, to recognize the kindness of others. If we can say that how all beings are so kind to us, not necessarily intentionally, that extending the kind, but the unintended kindness also counts. And here, from the Buddhist point of view, for example, in the Buddhist tradition, we first see that how all beings have been our mothers and fathers in previous lives. And in those lives, like in this life's parents, they also have given certain condition, and care, and so forth. So, and also in many other ways, that our parents in this life have cared for us and provided. If you think, you will reflect that how every sentient being has been our mother in the infinite lives that we have taken in the past. That's the Buddhist tradition. So then you can have a certain sense of this intimacy towards the sentient beings. But even when we think of the kindness of our beings, when they were not as our mother or father, there are many ways to really see the kindness of others. But towards us, in many forms. Just even take as simple an example of us being comfortable in this room, for example. Well, it may be hot outside, but we have a nicely cooled temperature here with ACs and like that. When you really think about this, it's made by many people where we are and enjoy it. I myself have even one brick to build this. But here I am, and I enjoy this cool, nice, comfortable place with you. This is made possible that so many people who ever worked on this, every bit of that, every brick and every part of that is built by others and the material and so on. So when you think about that, and then all the food and the drinks that we have, the clothing, just from this, when all the convenience and comfort that we enjoy, they're all made possible by others. Many. So if we can reflect on the others' contribution in this way, then we can certainly have a much more endearing feeling process, closer feeling. And it's that closer feeling is what is going to have want us to enable us to see them, make us want to have them have happiness and to be free of suffering. So this is how this kind of reflection can become what is in Maya, the teachings of the Buddha, the much greater impact of anything virtuous that we do if it is coming from such kind of appreciation for all and then the compassion and kindness for all we can give to. And everything we do has much greater impact.
That day you do, and also get Saint Jan the Pancake to 2,000 Yoguri, Saint Jan do, and also Mexico Maris, I did on Matadin, then he had my book as they do it, Saint Jan and Absolutely, and then normally Melly, they had more Yorita, don't want to Kaze do it, and Saint Jan Mobudo as and Jet on the day, Saint Jan Jan Panto Guris, do Major John Maris, Saint Jan Panto Kaze to Tagu. And get the pair to Masuna, tell no my Jesus, Hoja to the Terry, Tata Donna. That day, Jane Cario Desana, Manoso Kanga, the one do him and you can draw as a setting yellow painted Drusana, Susel, the one good, Manoso match, Joachim, man do grow as a man do the one you is. And the Saint Jello, nobody in the Joachimalo, and then Nesuton. And then Tadage, Dujalan, and Guru as a thing in you, and also someone law, the one to do him and the Payandu, Chugul Hoja the Terry, Juna, Saint Yala Panta shoes, Panta Mashu Naya, and now much is there. Loja Tamanda with the Terry is a Tibetan which you don't want the Terry is. Now be Chiganani.
So, considering the kindness of others, we're not just talking about kindness of human beings. In the Buddhist tradition, of course, all the human beings, one way or another, this type of theories, even in this type of indirect ways, are all involved in making possible what we have, what contributes to our flourishing, well-being. But it needs to include other sentient beings, even the insects. They too are they have been our mothers and fathers in the previous life and contributed to our well-being and so forth. But even this, like the insects and so forth, their own existence in direct or indirect ways, they are part of what makes possible for what we have today. So it's very important to kind of broaden this kind of appreciation, not just for humans, but for all living beings. And this is certainly it's in the Buddhist tradition, that's how it is looked at. And through this appreciation, and we can see that how it would be important that we do as best as we can to help others. But if we cannot help others, in many situations we will not be able to help others. But when we cannot help others, at least we can avoid 30 miles, harming others. So, if possible, help. If not, avoid extending or harming others. And this kind of mindset can allow us leaders to assist when we can, when we can't, to avoid at least harm in the other parts. Because this makes sense, because every living being wants to be happy. Every living being wants to avoid any harms and suffering and like that. There's no difference between us and others in that sense. We want to be happy. We want to be suffering. And what we want somebody to just smash us. And we don't. So similarly, the earth will also want to avoid and such hurting and so forth. So it's this kind of reflection, this kind of awareness is what can enable us to at least see the value of avoiding harming others and to help as best as we can. This is what leads us to assisting others and avoiding harming others. This is what is the essence of the Dharma in the Buddhist. The vision we talk about it comes down to that individual case. Dharma, the essence of the Dharma comes down to our capacity, the attitudes of helping others when we cannot, at least avoiding harming others. This is the kind of final or the very essence of the Dharma. Can I share dua dimension again?
Lari.
Can I share this?
Lari.
So perhaps we can ask some questions. That you don't need to limit your question to this. You can ask anything to do with Buddhism, spirituality, and Tibet.
Can you talk a bit about, my question was around forgiveness. Could you talk a little bit about forgiveness in the Buddhist teachings and in linking it to anger? If someone is really furious or angry with you and it's unfair and you get angry in return because you feel you've been victimized, etc. How do you move to forgiveness?
Maybe can you share this? Ale 지금 남쪽에 제가 있는 거. 하죠 미리 소를 직접 나왔다. 균절 제왔다. 홍도된 도시는 홍도 마사 탑시체의 야고도 스펙트 걸로 없선스. 이 홍도 마사 마세 하죠 기타 하죠 미리 기변에 소소 직접 나와 있는 마음이 제와봐. 내가 공양이 간데스요. 그래서 발레트 거 소소기 홍도 다바데 간데스요. 공양식이도 공양식 때문에 되게 지금 내세 제와던데 솔라 지금 다 발레 마캬바타 마이파 내가 공부 다바 간데스 그래서 스스로 공 지사바
제도 그로 다테네 그다 마루바지는 공투 산데야데 그런 거 희카 마루와 갈레세나 그런 그 제지 너무 공투되게 제네 대용이 좋아로 아마도 그런 몇 그런 하게데 네 공투 사버들이 만도 아스도자 대인도 메탈 카메 그 제제 근데 공투도 너무 되게 좋았었네 근데 그 카메사네 콜라베 가르세 그래 공투도 왔다 너무 또 멤버 까디는 상상듯이 근데 대두스 받다 상도니 콜라 저와지네 두스 상동소나 근데 계속돼 소설을 하게 그러와서 렌디소 the river, so they can't go back in the video.
So, when it comes to forgiving of someone's injustices, in the Buddhist tradition, you have to first come to see that how the other person, when they act in such a harmful way towards others, they themselves are victims. If a small case like the one we were talking about earlier, like the patient who is who cannot control his or her what comes out of her mouth because of the illness that is kind of disturbing or stirring and making the person to be violent. If you understand, if you are aware of it, you can relate to that, the person is really not the person that is bad. It is the afflictive emotions of that person's own afflictive emotions. That is what is kind of compelling, pushing this person to act in an unhealthy way. You have to see the helplessness of the person. When you can distinguish this action that is compelled by this afflictive emotions, illness, lack of understanding, misperceptions, anger or the grief and so forth, these are all that if the person is in his or her true kind of a sense of the control and anger, nobody would want to act in that way. But when somebody is under the influence of whether it's mistaken ideological emotions like that, they are kind of powerless. This is what, that it's not just simply patience in the sense that I don't say anything back. Patience is an inner fortitude, that the truly an inner capacity that when someone does bad towards you or your loved one or the others, that not to be perturbed by that. And that ability to maintain composure and so forth, it comes from the understanding that where this person is coming from, how this person is helpless. And this is the root of forgiveness in the Buddhist tradition. It has to do with when you can see the person who is acting violently is helpless. What is making this person do in his or her best state of mind would not be this, when it is the afflictive emotions, lack of understanding, ideologies, circumstances within which a person is helpless and vulnerable society to act. If you think that way, instead of anger, you will feel compassion, kindness. And that is what forgiveness is to do. It's not about condoning someone's misdeeds, but it's about knowing what is making this person do that. Does that make sense?
Eminence, can you speak to the wisdom of emptiness and how we make the transition from intellectually understanding emptiness to actually realizing emptiness?
What initially don't need to follow this.
Tuni.
No. Don't mind the chick dan danas gua sam di mai pawada. Don't say that danas chick shune sheba da dene resha sam mai ba. Chick susu nyoa musu. But don't mind ki mone chick nyoto ne toya tola kandes yoa che hodes danas chick pecha shesha cheche. Chick godo di sam mai ba. Nyoto ne but don't can go on. Nyoa, Tapshe Karachi was.
So, Nambi Choni Hedu, Tuni Toya, Tohi Dolo, and Society Janche, Seguri, Sawato, Society Jancheni. Many tomet by Tombo Pet, Karisagari, Saint Jean the Chambagun, Hijigun, and the Society by Choeje Solo, Joseph Brody, and Society Jancheni, Tuni there, and then Toya Tohi Seguri. And then Tuni to Ripatomani, and then you can get to the Yomaris and do the Seguri, that many children of Chishegi, and then many the Shendacho Mugachi, and Losin in the Pesha, Diros. And Losin in the Pesati, Chonoga Delhi and Losin is second to that. He does the National Losin recently, Shangun of Losin in the Tisa, but you combat and a Marisi. That then a Camboya Mari, Giku Mari, Tamaya Mari, Nasukanga, Losini, Tabai, Vikisha, the National Losini Marise, and Losini, Tini, Piggy Hagen do us, Chenagam do us, and Chukandaki and a ten on Yiki, Logapata, Sanjimatu Yomaris and Loguris. Can't get the Nasu penny that time the Petit company to Yobachi, Hungary, ten Haman, John Haman, Kunsha, the day. They can handle the Matu Tanaji, Marise, Pena, and then Losini over the chair. And the Chanate, America, America Shana, you go to Ghana, and the Tina Ragama to us. The chase of Tandagit in the Yukiti, the man by Jenny, could marry by saying, which is a year, not to America, not Losini. And then, but Losini to take on this, look at Pata, the Pagagina, there among the Matu, Marise. And then they pass on to one to Taguris. And the kids on countries are said to Shibu countries again, Kokami, Kolas, and residue, country just a merry good to us. The shot just a merry only, and the land is man was.
The Buddhist approach to this genuine experience or the realization of emptiness is, of course, you do need to this study that gets an intellectual understanding of the concept, what the principle, how it is understood, and you do need to. But the ultimate it is the critical analysis. You yourself engage in critical analysis. That alone is not enough. You can engage in critical analysis, but it is believed or it is maintained that the genuine realization of such profound view of profound reality, it actually depends. It requires also what we call the accumulation of merits, the positive energy, the accumulation of positive energy, and also cleaning or the cleansing of negativities, negative energy, the negative karma, if you will. Here, what brings about these positive energies, what cleanses our negative karma, it's actually the practices of love, compassion. When you cultivate love, compassion towards other beings, these are powerful ways of amassing this positive energy and clearing this unhealthy tendencies from the negative karma. That on top of that, that's Buddhist, we also go for refuge in the three jewels of the Dharma and engage in the practices of the disclosing our negativities in their presence and rejoicing and so forth. So there are certain these spiritual practices are very necessary to cultivate positive the punya or the merit. cleanse the negative part. Because it is said that, that without someone with a very meager kind of little merits, this profound view cannot even be kind of, could not even be a proper skepticism, that is about how you are down and how so therefore, actual experiential understanding, it requires the support of the merits and the cleansing of the negativities. Now, supported by the positive energy, the merits and the cleansing of negative, certain degrees of cleansing negative karma, that the main tool, main way that can, open that door to that reality, that leads to that realization is the, critical thinking, our close analysis, observation, examination, and that's where that you apply various, the reasoning and so forth. And for example, this careful observation and the analysis is important. To give you an example, here you are at Drepung, Losel Monastery. So we are all here, you came here, and then we have a sense of what the Drepung is, and then I have a sense of what the Drepung is. Maybe you even have a little different attachment to this place and this monastery, my monastery, like that. And then you have a certain degree of awe and a certain degree of there's certain curiosity that whatever place this is. But if you, the kind of image that we form of the monastery, that kind of image that we have at the temple, if you try to find where it is, because that image is very fixed. That it's standing on its own. Such a monastery will to exist, then you will have to, as a kind of fixed entity, then you will have to find. And then when you look at it, it's not the main temple, it's not these buildings and any individual buildings, these are not the monks, and there are all the fields and so forth and so on. When you search for that, your mental image, you can't find it anywhere because it doesn't exist. This is kind of the pure, even though Drepung seems to exist right from there, but objectively existing, it has never existed. It doesn't have any reality. So ultimately, you have to apply this faculty of critical thinking, critical analysis, through this way that when you lose that kind of the entity that is false, that is just made up, even though it seems like it really exists, but when you lose that, that is what the finding emptiness has to do with. So in that sense, then that would mean that Drepung is merely designated. It's merely a conceptual construct that is designated by our mind, thought, and it's something that exists in a context, in a certain context, not by itself. But because of this long habit, familiar habit of disposition from the beginningless time, to relate to whatever we see around as if they exist from there on. So for us, it becomes kind of hard to distinguish what the appearance and what actually how it actually is. And it is true that for example, America, the kind of for you when it's America, you have a certain image, and then with that you have certain kind of affiliation, certain kind of connection, certain grasping that can happen. But what is America? Again, the states and all those things. And then it's designated, something that is constructed. So that's how you see. So in that way, that you see from this angle, then when somebody is angry at you, and they go after someone, someone we or not angry, not somebody is angry at you, but when we get angry at someone, or we get really attached to there we can see that how our tendency to kind of project this independent status, solid kind of attractiveness or angriness over there, desiring, independently kind of projected here is what needs to be emotions and so on. So our negating that the objective, the desirability and the undesirability, then there is no basis for attachment and aversion.
So,
Shall we make that the last question?
I have no question anymore because Rinpoche's answer was so comprehensive and clear. I have no question.
Moran, jiwa yawa di gengi len gyon tsar sons. Moran, jiwa yawa di gengi len gyon tsar sons. Anda len di ki tu sons. Degi di kor kandishu yin sar wan. Anda len te sar sons. Okay, so in that case, shall we thank Rinpoche for his kindness to come? It's not easy for him to, at this age and with his responsibility and everything, to just come at this little place, but Rinpoche is so kind to come.